In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar link. If you've ever needed to let teammates, clients, or friends see your schedule without sending individual invites, a shareable calendar link is a quick solution. We'll walk through the exact path inside Google Calendar so you can generate a link that others can use to view your calendar. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. Give the page a moment to load. You should see your calendars listed on the left. Look to the left side under the section labeled My Calendars. Each item here is a separate calendar, like your main calendar, a project calendar, or any others you've created. If you don't see the list, click the small arrow or caret to expand it. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to share. A set of icons will appear. Click the three vertical dots to open the options menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to that calendar's specific settings, not your overall account settings. Scroll to the area called Access Permissions for Events. Here's where you control who can see your calendar. Turn on the switch labeled Make Available to Public. Google will usually warn you that this makes your calendar visible to anyone with the link, and in some cases it may be discoverable. Read the prompt and confirm if you're comfortable proceeding. If you use a work or school account, your admin may limit public sharing. If the option is grayed out, that's why. Once public availability is enabled, look for the button that says Get Shareable Link. Click it, and Google will generate a unique URL for this calendar. Then click Copy Link. The link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, a chat, or a document. Anyone who opens it will see your calendar according to the visibility you've allowed. If you ever need to stop sharing, return to the same Access Permissions for Events section and turn off the Make Available to Public switch. The link will no longer work. A few quick tips to keep things tidy and secure. Double check that you selected the correct calendar before sharing. If you manage sensitive events, consider keeping them on a separate private calendar. You can also test your link in a private or incognito browser window to confirm what viewers will see. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now shareable with a simple link.